Imagine trading stocks with a backdrop of Bahamian beaches. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of day trading, where the stakes are high, the competition is fierce, but the rewards can be extraordinary. Welcome to Wealthway, and today we're giving you a summary of How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz. Watch and learn as we give you the 5 key takeaways from the book. Hey, before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Let's uncover the secrets of successful day trading. 1. Stocks in play. Let's talk about the backbone of successful day trading, stocks in play. Now, you might be scratching your head, wondering why so many traders struggle to turn a profit. Well, here's the scoop. It's not just about making trades. It's about making the right trades. Andrew Aziz, the guru of day trading, swears by what he calls stocks in play. These aren't just any old stocks. They're the ones buzzing with activity, boasting high volume and riding the waves of fundamental catalysts. Think earnings reports, mergers, product launches, the stuff that gets Wall Street buzzing. Aziz doesn't rely on guesswork. He's armed with pre-market and real-time scanners, sniffing out the hottest opportunities before the rest of the pack even wakes up. So, why the obsession with these particular stocks? Well, it's simple. They dance to their own beat. They're not slaves to market trends or sector movements. They've got a mind of their own. And that's where the magic happens. Aziz doesn't just throw darts at a board and hope for the best. He's strategic, calculated, and laser-focused. He knows that success in day trading isn't just about luck. It's about finding the right opportunities and seizing them with both hands. So, if you're serious about making it in the world of day trading, take a page from Aziz's playbook, focus on the stocks in play, and watch your profits soar. 2. The 2% Rule. Let's delve into one of the cardinal rules of day trading, the 2% Rule. Picture this: you're in the ring, battling it out with the market's unpredictable punches. In this high-stakes game, survival isn't just an option, it's a necessity. That's where Andrew Aziz's sage advice comes in. He preaches a simple yet powerful mantra: never put more than 2% of your hard-earned capital on the line in a single trade. Why? Because in the wild world of day trading, every move counts. It's not about swinging for the fences with every trade. It's about playing the long game. By limiting your risk to a mere 2%, you're ensuring that even if things don't go according to plan, you'll live to fight another day. Now, let's talk strategy. Aziz isn't just advocating for risk aversion. He's championing asymmetry. What's that, you ask? It's the idea that the potential rewards should far outweigh the risks. Sure, the learning curve in day trading is steeper than a double black diamond, but the payoff? Oh, it's sweet. By playing it smart, sticking to the 2% rule, and focusing on trades with favorable risk-to-reward ratios, you're setting yourself up for success in the long run. So buckle up, fellow traders, and remember, in the world of day trading, it's not about how hard you swing. It's about how well you play the game. 3. Understanding candlesticks. Welcome to the fascinating realm of candlestick charts, where the market's collective psychology is laid bare for all to see. Picture this: bulls and bears duking it out on the charts, with each candlestick telling a story of its own. Whether you're peering at hourly, 5-minute, or 1-minute frames, these candlesticks are your window into the minds of traders. A hollow candle signals victory for the bulls, showcasing positive price action and bullish momentum, while a filled candle paints a bearish picture, signaling a downturn in the market's sentiment. But here's the kicker: it's not just about the candles themselves. It's about what they're accompanied by. That's right, trading volume is the unsung hero here. providing crucial context and completing the puzzle. So, if you're ready to decode the market's mysteries and gain a deeper understanding of its inner workings, candlestick charts are your ticket to success. 4. The support and resistance strategy. Let's toss out the rulebook on complex chart patterns and take a page from Andrew Assiz's playbook. Simplicity reigns supreme. Enter the support and resistance strategy, a tried and true method for navigating the tumultuous waters of day trading. It's all about spotting those key price levels where stocks have a habit of bouncing back or hitting a ceiling. Picture this: you're scanning the charts, eyes peeled for those telltale signs of indecision candles hovering near support, accompanied by a surge in trading volume. That's your cue to pounce. Set up a strategic stop loss, buckle in, and ride a wave until you hit the next support or resistance zone. With Assiz's no-nonsense approach, navigating the choppy seas of day trading has never been easier. 5. The VWAP strategy. Let's dive into Andrew Assiz's secret weapon, the volume weighted average price VWAP strategy. This nifty little indicator is the cornerstone of Assiz's trading approach, providing invaluable insights into market sentiment. Whether the market's feeling bullish or bearish, VWAP has your back. Picture this: you're eyeing a stock that's trading above VWAP, signaling a bullish trend. It's time to strike, buy in, set up a trailing stop to protect your gains, and buckle up for the ride. Assiz's philosophy is all about keeping it simple, and VWAP is no exception. With just a few key metrics, you can navigate the choppy waters of day trading with confidence. But here's the kicker: mastering VWAP is just the tip of the iceberg. Assiz's sage advice? Pick either VWAP or support and resistance and become a master of your chosen strategy. By honing your skills and focusing on the psychological aspects of the game, you'll be well equipped to tackle whatever the market throws your way. So whether you're a VWAP aficionado or a support and resistance guru, remember, simplicity is key. And with Assiz's strategies in your arsenal, the sky's the limit. Day trading is like riding a bicycle. Once mastered, it's an invaluable skill. Choose your strategy wisely, whether it's stocks in play, support and resistance, or the VWAP method. Dive into the psychological aspects of trading and remember, the journey is as important as the destination. We appreciate you being part of Wealthway today. We're dedicated to helping you achieve financial success, and we hope you've gained valuable insights from this episode. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay in the loop for our upcoming content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until our next encounter, continue on your journey to financial prosperity, because here at Wealthway, we're confident that your wealth is well within your reach.